Dear students, today we will discuss 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. This reaction takes place in between 1,3 dipolar species and dipolarified species. The species A plus attached to B attached to C minus, that species is called as the 1,3 dipolar species, and this X double bond Y, that species is called as the dipolarified species. Let us discuss about 1,3 dipolarified species. Okay, this species we have shown here. Okay, like that species is nothing but the 1,3 dipolar molecule. If we draw this, okay, A plus attached to B attached to the C minus. The When we discuss about the A atom, A has 6 electron in its outermost shell and having plus charge. B is its octet is complete, okay, and which is at least one lone pair or two lone pair is present on the B. C is also uh, octet is completed, and it is having the minus charge on C. A may be carbon, oxygen, nitrogen. Okay, A or C. Okay, both is having maybe carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen. But B is the base is nitrogen or oxygen. Now, if B is nitrogen, then it has single or double bond. Single or double bond. But if B is the oxygen, it has single bond only. Single bond only. Okay, this is all about the 1,3 dipolar species. If we discuss about dipolarified, okay, dipolarified we have shown like X is double bonded with Y. The basis may be C double bond C, okay, or C double bond N, okay, like that basis is we consider as a dipolarified basis. The actual mechanism we have shown here, 1,3 dipolar species is attack on the dipolarified species, and look, this addition is similar to the Diel-Sutler reaction. Therefore, it is stereopacific syn addition reaction. Okay, this 1,3 dipolar molecule added to the dipolarified basis with the syn addition. Okay, such type of transition state we have shown. Okay, syn that that is addition of this is the syn type addition. Okay, and we will obtain the such type of product. Okay, now the stereo selectivity we can predict by using the FMO average. If if suppose 1,3 dipolar species is unsymmetrical and also dipolarified species is the unsymmetrical, then the its ratio selectivity of addition of these can be predicted by using the FMO average. As like Diel-Sutler reaction, in Diel-Sutler reaction, we have studied that in Diel-Sutler reaction, endo product is formed. This is due to the secondary interaction. Okay, this secondary interaction we have shown in previous lecture, and that in FMO approach we can show such type of secondary interaction while studying the 2 plus 4 cycloaddition reaction. Okay, in this reaction also it is analogous to the Diel-Sutler reaction, and therefore it is a stereopacific syn addition. reaction. The mechanism we have shown here, its transition state is shown here, and the actual molecule will obtain the product as shown here. Let us discuss about the FMO approach. In FMO approach, most of time we will use the LUMO of dipolarified molecule and HOMO of 1,3 dipole molecule. But in certain cases, a relationship is reversed. Maybe in that cases, we will use the HOMO of dipolarified and the LUMO of 1,3 dipole molecule. But number of times we will use the LUMO of the dipolarified and HOMO of the 1,3 dipole molecule. Let us discuss about the. This is one of the example that species is the diazomethane species, and that is the 1,3 dipolar species, and this is the similar to the allylic system. Therefore we can draw this. The molecular diagram for this species is similar to the allylic system. Okay, here we have driven the molecular orbital diagram for this diazomethane 1,3 dipolar species. For this we have these diagrams. Okay, psi 1, psi 2 and the psi 3 star. And for the dipolar of file species, if suppose we have C double bond C, in this species we have only 2 electron is there. Okay, therefore there is no need to write this. Okay, this is empty orbital, only 2 electron is present at psi 1 orbit. Okay, in this case we have the two electron from this and the two electrons of the lone pairs. Okay, therefore total 4 electron is present in this system, and therefore 2 electron is we have filled, uh, that is the lowermost orbital, and then we have filled the 2 electron to the psi 2 orbital. Last one is the empty orbital, no electrons we have filled in psi 3 star molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore higher occupied molecular orbital for the 1,3 dipolar species is psi 2, and LUMO lower unoccupied molecular orbital for the dipolarified molecular orbit is the psi 2 star. Okay, here we have driven this. Okay, at the center there is a nitrogen. Okay, at the center there is a nitrogen. Okay, there is nitrogen at the center, and that is the HOMO for the 1,3 dipolar molecule, and this is the LUMO of the dipolar molecule. Okay, in this, when we consider the HOMO of 1,3 dipolar molecule, it is C2 symmetry, and when we consider the LUMO of the dipolar of fine molecule, it has also the C2 symmetry. Okay, therefore the reaction is a symmetrically allowed reaction. Like that way we can explain the FMO by using FMO approach, the 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. Okay, in this case 4 plus 2, this is the 4 plus 2 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. Now some reaction of the 1,3 dipolar cycloadditions is given here. That is the ozone molecule, lone pair is present here, that minus charge will attack on this carbon, and this double bond attack to this carbon, and you will obtain the such type of compound. That compound is molozonide 4 plus 2 cycloaddition product. Okay, that is the molozonide alkene of alkene 4 plus 2 cycloaddition product. Second example, we have nitrogen compound is here, and same mechanism we have followed here, and therefore we obtain the such type of compounds, that is a triazolene. Another example is we have the aldehyde and the reagent we have given and obtain such type of product. By such mechanism we will obtain the last product. Okay, this is all about the 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. Thank you very much.